Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful, well-designed 3,752 square feet, two-story, four-bedroom, three and a half bathroom single-family home with exceptional character. It is nestled in the highly desired Russell Heights, Kingston 8 neighborhood, situated on approximately three-quarter acre of well-fruited land. This house is a hidden gem with loads of potential for a small development. Its features include a spacious kitchen with breakfast nook, open concept living and dining rooms, a large entertainment area, staff quarters, laundry room, air-conditioned bedrooms, ceramic tiles, hardwood and parquet floors, a grand master bedroom suite with lounge area, his and hers walk-in closets, and ensuite bathroom, a double car garage, and electronic gate. Further enhancing the beauty and charm of this home are the well-kept gardens and manicured lawns. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.3 million or Jamaican $200 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.